The Diana is hands down the best NERF sidearm. It's fast, it's super reliable. I recently added this LED attachment, so when you fire a dart, it looks like a muzzle flash. Is it something I'm playing outside with? Absolutely not. Think I'm nuts? Does it give away my position? Sure. But in a close quarters fight, it doesn't really matter all too much to me. It's really cool seeing the surroundings light up, and I'm pretty sure it looks intimidating when I'm firing at someone. The only thing better than one Diana is two of them. Oh my God. Woo! I got you! No! Oh, got me! Got me, got me, got me! Did you? I got you. Damn it. Oh yeah! I'm dead. What? I'm dead.